Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock someone in Element Messenger step by step. Unblocking a user allows them to contact you again, making it easy to reconnect if you've changed your mind or blocked someone by mistake. So let's get started. First, open the Element Messenger app on your computer or mobile device and sign in to your Matrix account. Once you're on the home screen, click or tap your profile icon and open Settings. Next, navigate to the Privacy, Security, or Ignored Users section, depending on the version of Element Messenger you're using. Here you'll find a list of users you've previously blocked or ignored. Now, locate the person you want to unblock. Click or tap their name, then select Unblock, Remove from Ignore List, or the equivalent option available in your version of Element. Confirm your choice if a confirmation message appears. After the user has been removed from your blocked or ignored list, they'll be able to send you direct messages again, subject to your home server's rules and any room permissions that may apply. If you previously left a conversation, you may need to start a new chat or rejoin the same room to communicate with them. Finally, send a test message if appropriate to confirm that communication has been restored. If you ever need to block the user again, you can repeat the blocking process at any time, and that's it. You now know how to unblock someone in Element Messenger and restore communication with another Matrix user. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next